Hey, hello everyone. So how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. I just wanted to let you all know why you should subscribe to this channel. I think you all love tech and may be interested in cybersecurity and hacking. Also, you can learn how to code too. It's great to get all the stuff at one place. So we on this channel will learn some cool things and also hack stuff to amaze your friends, or maybe you can get a job. Let's see on that.
Hey buddy. I just listened that you know how to hack stuff.
Yeah, who told you that?
Everyone on the town are saying that. And you are quite famous for hacking into systems.
Yay, I know.
I also want to learn how to hack. So please guide me so that I can also hack.
Okay, but that's secret, so don't tell it to everyone. I have subscribed to Cyberhacks on YouTube. So you only have to subscribe to the channel and learn the cool stuff.
Now I will also be able to hack. I will be a hacker now. Also, if you want to learn about hacking and tech, you should subscribe to Cyberhacks.